Your commute to work, wherever you may be headed this morning. And Maria LaRosa is here with that forecast. This is that time of year, right, where you're sort of delivering these numbers and news, and it's what we got to deal with.
It's what we got to deal with, yes. It is that time of year. We're the heart of winter, so let's take a look at some of those numbers. Yeah, it's not too bad. I guess it could be worse. We've got 23 right now at Central Park. We're down to 17 in White Plains, 17 in Poughkeepsie as well. The cold spot, Monticello at 6, and right now we've got 23 in Belmar. Just enough of a breeze in that 5 to 15 mile per hour range, so the wind chill makes it feel like the teens already in the city, single digits in a lot of places. But we're bone dry. We are clear for now, and we don't have anything to track until we get to Friday, and part of that system is all the way over Canada right now. So enjoy at least the bright sunshine. It is crystal clear out there now. 26 by 1 o'clock, still feeling like the teens and the single digits, and lighter winds by this evening, so that'll just allow those temperatures to drop quickly again with clear skies. 21 at 10 o'clock. All right, Emily, how are things moving along?
Construction. No smokers in this studio, that's for sure.
Not at all.
Right. We need that good air, though.
We sure do. It's a crisp out there now. Just a quick look back to yesterday, because this is going to add to why it feels a little extra harsh today. Got into the low 40s from Central Park, Newark, Islip, Bridgeport. Stayed in the upper 30s, but above average in Poughkeepsie. Headed into the upper 20s today. That's it. We stay in the 20s from Poughkeepsie, a few teens in Monticello. That is one issue we are contending with over the next few days, the cold. And then we've got a cold front that gives us a first little dose of snow. But of course, the big talker, the big nor'easter, that'll start to take shape by Friday afternoon. I've got the latest thinking on what we can expect here, when it's in, when it's out of here. And beyond that, a nice little warm up for February. I'll show you that in the 10-day forecast.
Maria, thanks so much. All right, still to come, pencils.
Bonuses for early risers. It is crystal clear. The air is bone dry. You're going to get a view of all the stars. We have a crescent moon out there, and of course the beautiful city lights. It looks like high definition right now because, yes, that dew point's all the way down to 5. Bone dry. Air temperature 23 degrees, but a northwest breeze right now, about 14 miles per hour. The wind chills down into the teens. So that's our story for today. Just cold. Not much warmer than it is right now. 27 for the high. Northwest winds 5 to 15, so not crazy, but all day it's going to feel at times with that breeze kicking in the single digits to the teens. So bundle up for sure. It's going to another frigid night tonight. Clear skies hang on down to 15. And then by tomorrow afternoon, still mostly sunny skies. We manage about 32 degrees for the high in the city, but those winds have started to turn out of the south. This is ahead of a front that approaches by Friday. So a couple players on the map here as we go through the next couple days. This is the one by Friday. Could give us a little dose of some snow showers. So this first little batch here on Friday, that's not connected to the nor'easter. So when you see those snow showers, maybe a little dusting, a little coating, a separate weather maker. And then we watch that coastal low really explode off the mid-Atlantic and northeast coast here. And that's what we have facing us late Friday into early on Saturday, really through the day on Saturday. Cold and windy for sure. And we really think that just about everywhere is going to get some amount of snow. Along with that, the strong northeast winds. These are all things that we know, we're confident in, and accumulating snow. Of course, always the issue with several days out, where we're going to see that heaviest snow. Unfortunately, that track is still not in focus 100%, which is key because a farther out low, and wouldn't have to be that much farther out, we're in the lighter snow category. You get that westward jog, and more of us are in that heavier snow. But you can see who's kind of in the common area. I think Long Island, Connecticut really have to think about heavy, heavy snow potentially for you.
From the Bronx, from an area where it's hard to get out there and do well unless you have the right support. It's, you know, it can be rough, and I just think
that's amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing story.
Yeah.
All right, Emily's watching the traffic, and Maria is watching what's going on weather-wise.
Yeah, chilly today, bone dry. We've got clear